Insurance. What is it and why do you need it? Insurance is basically coverage if you have an accident. An example of an accident that would be covered by insurance would be a car accident. The different kinds of insurance consist of home insurance, health insurance, car insurance, property insurance, and things of that sort. Insurance is basically you paying into a company, and that company promises to cover you for any financial fees or accidents that you acquire. Let's get more in depth with each type of insurance.
Hi, I'm Olivia Coop, and I'm going over the basics of car insurance today. So the three things that cover car insurance are property, liability, and medical. Property is the damage to your car or the theft to your car. The liability is your legal responsibility to others for body injury or the damage done to their car. The medical effect of it is your injuries to your body, the rehabilitation, and sometimes lost wages and funeral expenses. The average cost yearly for car insurance is $1,427. That is without any points done to your record or anything like that. The difference between collision and comprehensive insurance is collision covers damage to your vehicle in the event of a covered accident involving a collision with another vehicle, while comprehensive is it pays for your damage to your vehicle caused by covered events such as theft, vandalism, or hail. So the prices for your car insurance depend on your driving record, and also if your driving record is better than usual, the record is the lower premium. Due to higher rates of vandalism, theft, and accidents, urban drivers pay a higher auto insurance price than those who live in small towns or rural areas.
Hi, my name is Morgan Buscos, and today I'm going to be talking about health insurance. So, according to the Kaiser Family Foundation, roughly 47 million non-elderly Americans are currently uninsured, which is about 15% of our population in the U.S. And we want to make sure that you are not in that 15%. And to not be in that 15%, you have to know the basis to get covered and get the right coverage that works for you. So there's two ways to obtain health insurance, and that is through a group coverage or an individual coverage. Now, individual coverage is you reaching out directly to the insurers, and you get to pick your own physicians and specialists, and according to the Affordable Care Act, now they cannot deny you for pre-existing conditions or other severe health issues. The next is the group coverage, and that is when your university or your employer, they offer you health insurance through them, and that one is ultimately less expensive just because the employer or the university is paying for it. But ultimately, it comes down to the health benefits, the cost, and the physicians and specialists that works best for you.
When doing research, I found that there are only two kinds of life insurance: temporary coverage, which is called term insurance, and permanent insurance. Permanent life insurance is designed to provide coverage for as long as you live, whereas term life insurance is designed to provide coverage for only a limited period of time, usually 10, 20, or 30 years. Term policies are simple and inexpensive, and in most cases, the yearly cost will remain level until the term is over. After the term is over, rates will increase dramatically. Term insurance is ideal if you're sure that there is a time when no one will depend on you financially, like when your kids are all grown up or your mortgage is paid off. It's also good when you're young and your biggest concern is getting the protection in place and keeping your costs down. Permanent life insurance can be split into whole life and universal life, and both are more expensive than term. Unlike term, permanent insurance is designed to last forever. As long as you pay your premiums on time, your family is guaranteed to receive death benefits no matter when you die. You can set up your premiums to remain level for life, so you won't have to worry about them going up as you get old, or you can arrange to pay over a shorter period of time so that after that you own the coverage and no further premiums are due for the rest of your life. With universal insurance, you have the ability to change your premiums and death benefits to keep pace with changes in your life. Whole life insurance costs more than any other, but it does more. Over time, these policies develop significant cash values that can be accessed at any time, and these values grow each year.
Hello, my name is Francia, and I'll be talking about homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance provides coverage to repair or rebuild your home after events such as a fire. Most standard homeowners insurance policies also cover furniture, clothing, and other possessions. The overall monthly cost for homeowners insurance in California is around $140. A great provider would be Allstate since it has a good coverage and it's very affordable. There are ways to lower the cost, such as having a good credit record, making your home more disaster resistant, and improving your home security.
So auto insurance is a contract between you and your insurance company with anything that happens to your car, theft, or medical injuries or anything like that. In exchange for you paying a premium, the insurance company pays for your losses as outlined to your policy. The three things it covers is property, liability, and medical. The insurance pays for the other driver's medical bills and car repairs when you cause an accident.
To wrap up, health insurance covers part of your medical bills, and everyone should have health insurance because medical bills can rack up, and they cover part of your bills, not the whole thing, so don't expect it to cover everything. And depending on your plan, it can cover 90-10, 80-20, even 50-50, or even less. And there's two ways you can get health insurance, through your school or through your employers. Now remember, health insurance is very important, so do more research on your own to find which plan is best suited for you.
Now we know what is homeowners insurance. I also mentioned one of the best providers. I don't say that you just go to that provider. It is also important that you also compare one provider to other two providers and their policies and see which one works out the best for you and the prices too. We also know how to lower it. We know how to lower the cost. And it's important also to know that there's a thing such as renter's insurance, which provides coverage for any theft that occurs in a rental home. Now we know what is homeowners insurance. I also mentioned one of the...
So that about wraps it up. The basics of insurance. Before you go out looking for insurance, do your research. Make sure the plan is right for you. Make sure you don't always buy the first thing that you see, because there could always be something better.